Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos, as I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so you'll get something new to see every Sunday. Okay, so my today's video is on what is sugar nail polish. I'm sure you must have once heard that there is something called sugar nail polish in the market, so I'll show you how it works and what effect it gives you on your nails. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so this is a sugar nail polish from VME, and this is from Oriflame, which I have bought it from one of my neighbors. So this is what it looks, and it's in a purple color, and this is a sugar nail polish. So first we'll shake it and then apply it. Let's see what effect does it puts on my nails. There are some granules seen on the nails, but they are not that much effective, so we have to apply the second coat. So we'll see. Okay, so sugar nail polish gives a granules effect on your nails, and it is something that gives rough effect on your nails. Sometimes it looks nice, like it is nice, something different than our regular nail polish. It is good. You can buy one and apply that. It's nice. I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon if you haven't yet, so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, meet you in next video.